temperatures at high humidity will heat illness. Relatively light winds and mostly sunny skies will combine with the high heat and humidity to create a heightened risk of heat illness for those who are active outdoors. Stay out of the sun and check up on neighbors. Young children and pets should never be left unattended in vehicles under any circumstances. Take extra precautions if you or forced to spend time outside. When possible, reschedule strenuous activities to early morning or evening. Know the signs and symptoms of heat exhaustion and stroke. Wear lightweight and loose-fitting clothing when possible. To reduce risk during outdoor work, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration recommends scheduling frequent rest breaks in shaded or air-conditioned environments. Anyone overcome by heat should be moved to a cool and shaded location. Heat stroke is an emergency. Call 911.
No.
Repeating, a heat advisory remains in effect until 8 p.m. for the following counties in Minnesota, Carver, Dakota, and Hennepin. This is NOAA Weather Radio KJY80.
Well, there's KJY80 heat advisory.